So I'm here at Thompson Building Materials off Federal Boulevard in San Diego with Derek Pritchett, General Manager of Thompson Building Materials. And Derek, I know that you've been building a home. I got to be on the property with you when it was a big hole in the ground. Is it close to being done?
It's not close enough, but we're getting closer. Yeah, every day is getting closer. It's been a long process. It's been a lot of fun though. You know, obviously with all the materials we have here, the selection process of materials, and getting to choose and design and finish the home has been really kind of cool.
Yeah, I was going to ask you, 'cause working here at Thompson, you must have had a lot of things that you've seen over the years that you've been saying, hey, I want that when I build my home, I want that when I build my home. What are some of your favorites?
You start with that, but the things evolve and things change. You know, you think you go down one road thinking you know what you want, and because of maybe the size or scale, it evolves into something else. But you have a typical color palette and overall design aesthetic that I was trying to achieve, and I think we did a pretty good job of nailing it.
Now, there's some techniques that were applied to some materials. What are some of those?
Different installation techniques, like the natural stone veneer that we have here. After it was put up, we used what's called an overgrout technique. So bigger grout joints, and then it's kind of a smearing the grout over the face of the stone to kind of tone it down and blend it all in a little bit nicer. Give it a little bit more of a weathered old world look.
Very cool. And you also, from what I understand, you have some kind of cutting edge things that are longer bricks.
Yeah, brick in a different format. Actually, we're using that on the risers on the steps on the staircase going up. But the format now, we're seeing longer material. Brick are usually 8 inches, 12 inches. Now we're seeing up to 18, 24, 30 inch long, which is difficult to do with clay brick.
So it's so exciting that you're getting this project close to finished and so many materials in there. But this is something that anybody can do if they're building a home. They just should come down to Thompson and talk to your team, get inspired?
Absolutely. We've got a showroom down here and 1,500 square foot. Basically, we built a home here on site to showcase the use of the materials on the interior of the home, which is what I've done up at my place, just the same. And our staff can help guide them through it. And it's best to really get down and get started with starting to make that selection process early, so that you're not the cause of any delays on your project.
Yeah, that's the key, being able to get down there early and make the material selection. If you're building a home, any remodel, anything you're doing, get down to Thompson Building Materials. You can get inspired and have so many great experiences. So come down, Thompson Building Materials off Federal Boulevard, 5 miles outside of downtown.